Previously, in our last episode,
Pass around party bottom.
and just ahead,
Emotional damage!
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats.
G here from OG Creations. The last few weeks have been an emotional roller coaster. Well, not exactly roller coaster, because that would mean that there were some ups with all of these downs. So, more like an emotional freefall.
Emotional damage!
Which means I have not even thought about this channel until a couple of days ago. Thank fucking God I'm a planner. I have a number of items that I have filmed in the past couple of months, and I can just pull from them and start editing. Since it is hot as balls outside, I decided upon the Ocean Sarong, now available on my Etsy store. I wanted something that reminded me of the carefree days of lounging by a pool or on a peaceful beach with not a single worry in the world. So this white, 100% rayon sarong with its total beachy vibes was exactly what I was looking for. This one's for everyone. Let's get started. I am starting with a 78 by 39 inch white 100% rayon sarong that I have pre-soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. It is folded in half with wise, and then folded again, and then I smooth out all the wrinkles. Holding one corner tightly, I start to twist the fabric. Once completed, the fabric started to twist on its own, kind of like a twisted donut. So I just ran with it. Let's see what happens. Place my dye rack inside of a plastic container and elevate one end of the rack using a taller plastic tub. Now on my dye rack, I put a layer of tinfoil down so there's a smooth surface for all of that ice runoff. I then create barriers on each side of the fabric to keep all of the ice in place. An extremely thick layer of ice is added. Next, I add my dry dye powders. Teal blue, Kingfisher blue. a layer of soda ash tops it all off. Once the ice has completely melted, I set it aside to cure for 48 hours in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water and then slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. I then run it through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I add it to my Etsy store, ready to purchase. You can check this and all of my other items out by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Well, this is breathtaking. I love how it looks flat. It could actually just be used as a wall tapestry. But I believe it's stunning as a worn piece as well. My little half mannequin here wasn't long enough to show it as a single wrap, so it's folded in half lengthwise. Long or mini, I really love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I love responding to everyone. Now I'm still trying to figure out how to grow this goddamn channel with such a temperamental algorithm, and it's keeping me hidden from all of my new viewers. So please help me out by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment and possibly checking out some of my other videos. And if you really like some of them, please feel free to share them on your own socials. And do me a favor, if you've got a furry little one in your life, make sure to give them an extra hug. They're not with you forever.